everyone. So welcome back. This video guys, in this video I'll be showing you this AI video generator where I have created it with video and also video this feature from this week and we explain this Nano Banana Pro and guys get ready to it. On the Higgsfield we have the camping and active camping here. You can always do it to join it. I'll be dropping the link in the description of this. You can always do it participating and check it out guys. Then I'll be dropping a promo code in the description of the video and this program that and guys let's explore it on how it works now. Welcome back. So this is it now and we'll be creating it so let us delete it now. So let us create an image here. Just generate free and you can see it's already generating now and right. So guys for the video you can see it's in progress now and so it will show and this is the prompt I use. This is the prompt. So let us check it out. Once it generates it's going to see it. So let's move on guys. For the video, you can see you can create the video here, the cinema studio video, the main media and the edit video, quick to add, so and so many other those are there for the edit section. I will go to this one here and for the event you can just do it to upload the video here and just let us check it out and let us repeat it. Now, so let me just find one media here and upload and so let us check it out on how this thing works. You can see let us generate it and check it out on how it works guys. So that's what you know. So all these industry are good. You can see right here guys. So I did loading here and so hopefully there is a sonar and guys let me confirm the personal velocity and you can see right here guys it's in progress and it's hopefully load soon. And guys let's move on to the campaign and check it out whether that will generate successfully. And guys you can see guys we also really you can see this is the first one guys. You can see very amazing and let us just do it. You can see very amazing and let us check the second one guys. So this is the second one, this is the third one and this is the fourth one. So guys this is very amazing. So when we come to the image out that it has been generated successfully and you can see the image also has been generated. So this is it now and we'll be creating it so let us delete it now. So let us create an image here. Just generate free and you can see it's already generating now and right. So guys for the video you can see it's in progress now and so it will show and this is the prompt I use. This is the form. So let us check it out. Once it is generated, we're going to see it. So let's move on, guys. For the video, you can see you can create the video here, the cinema studio video, the mix media, and the edit video. Close to so Twitch and so many other features are there. For the edit section, you can just go to this one here. And for the event, you can just do it to upload the media here and just let us check it out and let us embed it. Now, so let me just find one media here and upload. And so let us check it out on how this event works. We can see let us generate it and check it out on how it works, guys. So that's what to know so how these industry are good. And I'll see right here, guys. So I did loading here and it will be successfully generated. So now, guys, let's move on to the personal industry and as you can see right here, guys, it's in progress and it's hopefully load soon. And guys, let's move on to the input and check it out whether that will generate successfully. And guys, as you can see, guys, here also already as you can see, this is the first one, guys. As you can see, very amazing. And let us just do it. As you can see, it's very amazing. And let us check the second one, guys. You can see this is the second one. This is the third one, and this is the fourth one. So, guys, this is very amazing. So, when we go to the image and check it out, whether it has been generated successfully. And you can see the image also has been generated successfully. And this is how it works. So, guys, this is making a screenshot now. So, guys, there is an active campaign from other people there. And you can just do it to open and the campaign. So you can just tag free particular. And guys, the campaign is very easy. And just create a video and upload to it. Thank you for watching my video, guys, and goodbye. Successfully. And this is how it works. So guys, this is making a screenshot now. So guys, there is an active campaign from other people there. And you can just do it to open and the campaign. So you can just tag free particular. And guys, the campaign is very easy. And just create a video and upload to it. Thank you for watching my video, guys, and goodbye.